Welcome Touch Scout. I'm Uni. I recently watched Next in Fashion on Netflix. I loved watching the show. After watching the show, I wanted to make my own clothes. I think some of you have the same thought as me. I can't make fabrics and clothes myself like fashion designers right now, but I can still design clothes. So today, let's make some paper clothes and put them on a paper doll. I used to play with paper dolls a lot when I was a girl, so I'm very excited. Let's get started. I was thinking hard about who I should make as my paper doll model. Then I thought about Next in Fashion, and that led me to make this video. I was especially impressed with the final stage of the winner Minju Kim on Next in Fashion. She was inspired by Frida Kahlo for her designs. So, my female model is Frida. I am drawing her body and putting on underwear on her. I am using watercolor paper that is a bit thicker to make the paper doll so that it will be stronger and won't bend easily. My male model is Diego Rivera, who was Frida's husband. I'm drawing his face and body in underwear on watercolor paper. I am painting them with watercolors. I will wait until it dries perfectly and then draw the outlines with a pen to make it look neat. It's time to cut them out. My two paper dolls are done. I want to start by making clothes that Frida really wore. I'm looking for clothes that Frida wore online. I decided to make this outfit. I will save this photo as a reference and draw it on paper. Place the pre-made paper doll on the paper and mark the size lightly with a pencil. I'm going to draw her clothes that size. You must remember to leave small pieces or text like this on the shoulders, arms, etc. on the outline of the clothes so that you can attach them when you put them on the doll. Color or paint the clothes. And draw the outline with a pen. I'm adding some details with pens. I'm going to make Diego's clothes the same way. Cut them out and let's try them on. I will make a flower crown for Frida. Please make a little cut with a knife. I want to make a different outfit. I think it would be fun to make Korean style clothes, so I will make a hanbok for Frida and Diego. This time, I'm drawing the outlines before painting. I will make a gut for Diego. Cut them all out. Let's try them on. They look great with the hanbok. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Art Scout. Also, please leave your opinion in the comments. They'll be very helpful for making future videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!